Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back, Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain sequence and series problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If the roots of b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equal to 0 are equal. Okay, then a, b, c are in. So option 1, AP, option 2, GP, option 3, HP, option 4, none of these. So what is given? If the roots of one quadratic equation is given are equal. So what is given equation? B minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equal to 0. Okay, roots are equal. So let us take x is equal to 1. This condition is satisfied. This equation is satisfied. Okay, all terms are get cancelled. So it will going to be b, b, a and c get cancelled equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 satisfied. X is equal to 1 is satisfied in equation 1. Okay. So in the statement, what is given? The roots are equal. Therefore, is x is equal to 1 is satisfied in equation 1. So it is a one of the root of the equation 1. Okay. But in statement, what is given? The roots are equal. The roots are equal. The roots are equal. So one root is 1, second root is also 1. So alpha is equal to 1, beta is also 1. So product of roots alpha beta is equal to, what is the product of roots? Formula C by A. So constant by A. A for the coefficient of x square. It will going to be constant value A minus B. The coefficient of x square is B minus C. But alpha into beta value, it will be 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay, it will going to be A minus B is equal to B minus C. Let us do cross product. Therefore, A plus C is equal to 2B. Therefore, A, B, C are in AP. So, which option is correct? First option is correct. One root is x is equal, one root is 1, second root is also 1. Why? Because it's a given statement having equal roots. So, alpha beta is equal to 1 into 1, 1 is equal to, what is the formula? C by A. Product of roots formula alpha beta is equal to C by A, where C for constant, A for coefficient of x. Okay. Alpha beta is equal C by A is of ax square plus bx plus c. Sum of roots formula minus b by a. Product of roots is c by a. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 2. If the roots of a into b minus c x square plus b into c minus a into x plus C into A minus B equal to 0 or equal, then A, B, C are in. So option 1, AP, GP, HP, AGP. Okay. So what is given? If the roots of quadratic equation are equal, what is the given equation? A into B minus C x square plus B into C minus A into X plus C into A minus B is equal to 0. So let us take X is equal to 1. This given equation, A into B minus C into 1 square plus B into C minus A into 1 plus C into A minus B. Okay, let us do simplification. AB minus AC plus BC minus BA plus CA minus CB. This condition satisfied. CB, BC, BA, AB, AC, CA get cancelled. So X is equal to 1 satisfied. Therefore, so X is equal to 1 is one of the root of the given equation. X is equal to 1 is one of the root of the given equation. But in statement, what is given? Given equation having equal roots. But given equation having equal roots. So one root is 1, second root is also 1. Okay. Now we have to find product of roots alpha beta is equal to formula C by A. What is the C? C is constant. Constant by. So what is the formula? Alpha beta is equal to C by A. Alpha plus beta minus B by A. Alpha beta is C by A, constant by the coefficient of X square. So it will going to be in this constant value. This is the constant. This is the coefficient of X square. So C into A minus B by A into B minus C is equal to 1. Let us do cross product. It will going to be CA minus CB is equal to AB minus AC. Okay. So minus AC, bring the left side. It will going to be 2AC is equal to minus BC, bring the right side, AB plus BC. Okay. Therefore, AB, AC, BC are in AP. Okay. AB, AC, BC are in AP. So AB, AC, BC are in AP is nothing but AB by ABC, AC by ABC, BC by ABC also AB. Okay. 2, 3, 4 are in AP. So 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 also AP. So in the same way, AB, AC, BC are in AP. So divide ABC. So AB by ABC, AC by ABC, BC by ABC also in AP. AB by ABC, AB, AC, BC. AC by ABC, BC by ABC are in AP. So in this one, AB get cancelled, AC, BC get cancelled, 1 by C, 1 by B, 1 by A are in AP. Okay. That reciprocal CBA, CBA are in harmonic progression. The reciprocal of AP, the reciprocal of AP is nothing but HP. Okay, CBA are in HP or ABC are in also HP. 2, 3, 4 are in. Just 1 minute. HP. 2, 3, 4 are in AP. 4, 3, 2 also are in AP. Okay. So CBA are in HP. The reciprocal of AP is HP. That implies ABC also are in harmonic progression. So what is the answer? Harmonic progression is answer. Okay, moving to next question. Question number 3. If the sum of the roots of this equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal 0 is equal to the sum of the squares of their reciprocals. Okay. Then A by C, B by A, C by B are in A by C, B by A, C by B. Okay. So what is given? The sum of the roots of this equation. What is given equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal 0. Sum of the roots of this equation alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by e is equal to the sum of the squares of their reciprocals. So what is given? Alpha plus beta is equal to the sum of the squares of their reciprocals. 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square is given. Okay. So alpha plus beta value minus b by a, alpha beta value c by a. So alpha plus beta is equal to, this is given. Let us do LCM alpha beta whole square. So it will be beta square plus alpha square. Okay. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square formula alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta whole square. So it will going to be alpha plus beta value minus b by a. Minus b by a is equal to alpha plus beta value minus b by a whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta value c by c by a whole square. Okay. Okay. Alpha square plus beta square. This is in the form of a square plus b square formula, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, we should applying alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, where alpha plus beta, alpha beta values are given by direct substitution. Now, minus b by a is equal to minus b by a is equal. So minus b by a whole square minus 2 times of c by a by c by a whole square. So it will going to be, so minus b by a is equal to, this is b square by a square minus 2c by a by c square by a square. So minus b by a is equal, let us do LCM a square, b square minus 2ac by, after LCM a square get cancelled by c square. Okay. So let us do cross product, minus b c square is equal to a b square minus 2a square c. Okay, minus 2a square c bring the left side, plus 2a square c is equal to ab square minus bc square bring the right side, plus bc square. Okay. Now divide abc on both sides. So it will going to be 2a square c by abc, ab square by abc, bc square by abc. It will going to be 1 ac get cancelled. So 2 into a by b is equal to, in this one a as well as b get cancelled, b by c, in this one c, one b get cancelled, c by a. Okay, this is in the form of 2b is equal to a plus c. Therefore, a, b, c are in AP, where A relation what value is there? C by A or B by C. Okay, C by A, B relation write A by B, C relation write B by C. Okay, or in this is the statement C by A by B, A by B, and B by C. C by A by B, B by C are in AP. But what is statement given? A by C, B by A, C by B. The reciprocal of AB, the reciprocal of AP is HP. A by C, that implies A by C, B by A, C by B are in HP. So what is the answer? Harmonic progression. So what is required? A by C, B by A, C by B. Okay. A by C, B by A, C by B are in HP. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.